This is an eco-friendly homemade airplane launcher. And what it does is these two bottle caps are connected to motors that spin in opposite directions, and you will take your paper airplane, slide it in between, and these two motors will shoot it forward. So, on the inside, we have the two motors, a 9-volt battery, and a very simple switch. And the way it works is you just press it down and it will connect the circuit. So a bit more about how the two DC motors work, and I will start by explaining magnetic fields and go from there. So a magnetic field is produced whenever an electrical charge is in motion. The field is made by the spiraling and orbiting of the nucleus of an atom. Inside the two motors, there is an electromagnet. An electromagnet is created when an electrical current aligns the magnetic domains inside an iron rod. To align them, you must wrap a wire around the rod tightly and send an electrical current through. So, this is a picture of the inside of a DC motor, and I'll explain it. So, in the middle, there are two electromagnets, here and here. And on the outside of the electromagnets, there is a regular magnet. And so the electromagnet turns on using a DC battery, setting the polarity. In the copper coils opposing the magnets in order to make the motors go in opposite directions, I had to change the polarity by connecting the motors to the battery in opposite sides. So, as you can see, the grays are connected and the greens are both connected to the battery, making them opposite, and making those run in opposite directions to allow the plane to shoot forward. And that is how my paper airplane launcher works.